some question we are going to solve. Find the ये हम कर चुके थे. If 2 plus x, if 2x plus 3y equals to 34, 2x plus 3y equals to 34 and x plus y upon y equals to 13 upon 8, then find the value of 5y plus 7x. Okay, then find the value of 5y plus 7x. The given equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 34 and x plus y by y equals to 13 by 8. Okay, so 8x plus 8y equals to 13y. Okay, that means 8x minus 5y equals to 0. Multiplication by 5 by and 3 is adding, we get 34x. 34x equals to 170. How do we get this? Multiplying by 5. First equation. What is the first equation? That is 2x plus 3y equals to 34. Okay, that is multiplied by 5. And second equation, that is 8x minus 5y, that is we adding in 3. And by 3 and adding we get, so we are multiplying 8x minus 5y into 3 and 2x plus 3y equals to 34 into 5. So 5 2 ja 10, 3 5 ja 15 equals to 34 into 5 and 8 into 3 it's 24 and 5 into 3 it is 15. Okay, and 5 2 ja 10 and 5 3 ja 15. So 15y and 15y will be cancelled out, and there is the 10x, and here is the 24x. So 24x and 10x both will be added, that will be the 34x. Okay, and equals to 170. How do you get the 170? It is 34 into 5. It is 5 4 ja 0, 5 3 ja 15 and 2, 170. So x will be 5. If x is 5, then putting x in the equation we get y equals to 8. How do you get the x equals to 5? Means 5 into 10. 34 minus 10 equals to 24 and 3 8 ja, that will be the y. So y equals to 8. That means here is the 5x 5y plus 7x equals to, so where is the 5x 2x plus 3y equals to 34. We are putting in y, it is 8, and x, wait a minute, that is 5x plus 7x. So 5x plus 7x. So it is, sorry, 2. This is something wrong is happening. X equals to 5 and we get the y equals to it. Okay, now we will put that into the value. He is asking about find the value of the 5y plus 7x. Okay, so now we are putting 5y equals to 5 into 8 plus 7 into 5 equals to 40 plus 35 equals to 75. If 3x plus 2x plus 3y equals to x equals to 55, x plus x minus y equals to 4, y minus x plus x equals to 12, then what is the value of x, y and z? The given equation are 2x plus 3y plus z equals to 55, x plus z minus y equals to 4 and y minus x plus z equals to 12. Subtracting the second we get x plus z minus y is there, so z will be the cancel out. So we will get x plus 4y equals to 51. subtracting 3 from 1. 3 from 1 is you are subtracting 3 from 1. So z will be cancel out here, okay, and there will be the 3x and plus 2y and equals to 43. Multiplying equation number 4. What is the equation number 4? That is 1, 2 and 3, and this is 4 is x plus 4y equals to 51, and by 2 and subtracting this, so we will get from equation number 4 and 5, that will be the 5x plus 35 equals to x equals to 7, and x is 7, then y will be 11 and z will be the 8. So this is all about to putting in the equation. So you are getting what I want to tell you about it, this, that after putting the value you will get the answer. Now next one is find the value of 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 5 and 1 minus 1 by 100. This is 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 99 by 100. So that was the 2 by 100. It is 2 by 100 because of 3 is cut down with the 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. So answer is 1 by 50. Okay. Find the value of 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 4 plus 1 upon 4 into 5 plus 1 upon 5 into 6 plus 1 upon 9 into 10. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 5 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 9 minus 1 by 10. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 10 equals to 4 by 10 equals to 2 by 6. Simplify the 99, 48 upon 49 into 245. So 100 minus 1 by 49 into 245. Okay, how do we writing this 99 48 by 49? That is the 100 minus 1 upon 49, because if you are going to subtract 100 minus 49, okay, 100 minus 49, if you are going to do this, then that will be the 48, that will be the 48. So 4900 minus 1, that is 48 actually. So it is the 4999 upon 49 into 245. How do you get this? So the simplification 99 48 upon 49. You can write this also for 100 minus 1 upon 49 also. Okay. So why do you writing this? Because 4900 minus 1 upon 49. 4900 minus 1. What is this? It is 4899 into the 5. So I do in paper. If both 7 boards 7 feet 9 inch long is divided into 3 equal parts, what is the length of each part? Length of the board is 7 feet and 9 inch. So it is 7 feet means 7 into 12 and plus 9 inches. So it is 93 inches. Okay, length of the each part is 93 upon 3. So that is 93 divided by 3, and that is 2 feet and 7 inch. In a certain office, in a certain office, 1/3 of the worker are women and 1/2 of the worker married to and 1/3 married women have children. If 3/4 of men are married and 2/3 of married men have children, what part of the worker are without children? Let us total number of the worker are x. So number of the women are x by 3. So man will be the x minus x by 3 equals to 2x by 3. So number of women having children, that is the 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 into x by 3. Okay, that is x by 11, 18. A number of men having the children 2 by 3 into 2 by 4. Sorry, 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 and into 2 by 3. So that is the x by 3 Okay, that is the x by 3. So number of the worker having a children is x by 18 plus x by 3 total, that is 7x by 18. So worker having no children will be the x minus, because of total worker are x, so x minus 7x upon 18, and it is 11x upon 18, that is 11 by 18 of all children. Okay, a crate of mangoes. A crate of mangoes is the contain one brushed mango for every 30 mango. In this, if 3 out of every 4 brushed mango are considered unsellable, and there are unsellable mango in the crate, then how many mango are there in the crate? Let us total number of the mango is x. The number of the brushed mango, that was 1 by 30x, because every 30 mango is the brushed in the crate. So bruised mango is 1 by 30x. So number of the unsellable mango is how many? So he is saying there is an unsellable mango in the crates. Okay. So every 3 out of every 4 mangoes are unsellable. Means 3 by 4 mangoes are unsellable. So 3 by 4 into 1 by 30, that is the unbrushed x, equals to 1 by 40. So this 1 by 40x we got. How many mangoes are there in the crates? That is equals to 12. A crate is a contain the mango for the 30. In this, 3 out of every 4 brushed mango are the considered unsellable, and there are the 12 unsellable mango in the crate. So 1 by 40x equals to 12. So x will be the 480. A train starts full of passenger at the first station. It drove 1/3 of the passenger and take 280 more. So x is total x minus x by 3 plus 280. So 2x upon 3 plus 280. Okay. At the second station it drove 1/2. So 2x upon 3 plus 280 ka half, and plus and total and takes 12 more. Again 12 you added. So it is 1 by 2, 2x by 3 plus 280 plus 12 equals to, and now this will be the 248. Okay, on arriving to the third station, it is found have a 248 passenger. This is equal to 248. Then it is 2x by 3 plus 280 equals to 2 into equals to 236 into 2, because 248 minus 12. So 2x by 3 equals to 192, and x equals to 192 plus 3 by 2 equals to 288. Again, a square plus b square equals to 117, and ab equals to 54. Find the value of a plus b and a minus b. A plus b square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it is 117. That is a square plus b square and plus 2 into 54. And a square plus b square minus 2ab, 170 minus 2ab. So that was 9. So a plus b equals to 15 and a minus b equals to 3. It is 5 will be the answer. Find the value of this all. So it is a square minus b square upon a minus b. A plus b, a minus b upon a minus b. That is the a plus b will be the answer. Next one is find the value of this a cube upon a minus b cube upon a square plus ab plus b square. So answer will be a minus b, and that will be the 343 minus 113. Village X has a population of 6800, which is decreasing at the rate of 1200 p. Okay. Village Y's population 4200, which is increasing the 800 per year p. Okay. So now solving with this 68000 and minus 4200 equals to 2600, and now there will be the 2000 equals to p equals to 13. From a group of boys and girls, 15 girls leave. There are then left 2 boys for each girl. After this, 45 boys leave, and there are then 5 girls for each boy. Let us present there is x boys, and then number of the girls at present as 5x. Before the boys had left, number of the boys x plus 45, and then the girls 5x. So x plus 45 equals to 2 into 5x equals to 9x. that is the 9x, 5 2 are 10, and 9x equals to 45. Okay, so x equals to 5. If x equals to 5, find the number of girls to the beginning. In beginning, there was a 15 girls leave, and then there is a left 2 boys for each. So from a group of boys and girls, 15 girls leave. So the number of girls 8 present and 2 boys for each girl. After this 45 boys leaves, and there is a 5 girls for each boy. So number of the girls at present 5x, and the number of the boy x. Before the boy had left, number of the boys was x plus 45, and number of the girls was 5x. So he is saying that there are the 5 girls for each. Find the number of the girls. So from a group of boys and girls, 15 girls leave. There are then left 2 boys for each girl. After this 45 boys leave. So x plus 45 equals to 2 into 5x. So that is 9x equals to 45, x equals to 5, and hence number of the girls in beginning, it is 15 girls leave. So that was the 5x girls plus 15, it is 40 girls in the starting. An employee pays 20 for each day a worker work, and forfeit 3 for the each day he is the idle. At the end of 60 day, worker gets 284. Now how many days did the worker remain idle? Suppose the worker remains idle for the x days, then the worker worked for 60 minus x days. So 20 into 60 minus x minus 3x. 20 into 60 minus x minus 3x equals to 280. Suppose the worker remain idle for the x day, then the worked for 60 minus x day. So it is 20 for the each day worked, and that was the 60 minus x minus 3x equals to 280. So it is 1200 minus 23 x equals to 280, and 23x equals to 920, x equals to 40. Kiran had the 85 currency note, in all the sum of the which were the 100 denomination and the remaining 50 denomination. The total amount of all these currency notes was 5000. So let the number is the 50 rupees coin, and then the number of 100 notes was the 85 minus x, and 50x plus 100. 85 minus x equals to 5000. So x plus 2 equals to 85 minus x equals to 100. Okay, that is 100. So x equals to 70. So required amount will be the 50 into 70 equals to 350. So Kiran had 85 rupees currency note which were 100 denomination. It was the 50 rupees currency 100 denomination, and remaining 50 denomination. Okay, so 50x plus 100, 85 minus x, because the number of the 100 rupees not if a 50 rupees not x, then 100 rupees will be the 85 minus x. So the 50x plus 100, 85 minus x equals to 5000. That is equals to 5000. So if we are taking common 50, then that will be the cut down everything, and it will be the x plus 2. 85 minus x equals to 100, and then x will be the 70. So required amount will be, what will be the required amount, and 50 into x, it is 50x. So 50 into x, that will be the 3500. When an amount distributed among 14 boys, each of them got more than amount received by each boy when the same amount is distributed equally among 18 boys. What is the amount? Okay, so when an amount was distributed among 14, each of them get the 80 rupees more. 80 rupees more means x by 14 minus x by 18 equals to 80. You are solving this, you will get the answer. Mr. Bhaskar is on tour and he has the 360 rupees for his expenses. If he exceed his tour by 4 days, okay, so before that he must cut down his daily expenses by the 3 rupees. So 360 was the initial amount of Mr. Bhaskar. Now it was equals to x because the tour was in x days. So 360 upon x minus 360 upon x plus 4 because of the x plus 4 is 4 days. His tour by the 4 days. So if he exceed his tour by the 4 days means 360 upon x plus 4 equals to 3 means 1 by x plus 1 upon x plus 4 equals to 3 by 120. This is cutting. Now x into x plus 4 x into x plus 4 equals to 4 into equals to 4 into 120, and that is 480 x square plus 4x minus 480 equals to 0, and x plus 24 and x minus 20. 2 pens and the 3 pencil cost the 86. 4 pens and the a pencil is cost the 1112. Okay, so find the cost of pen and that of the pencil. 2x plus 3y equals to 86, and the 4x plus y equals to 112. So solving this, x equals to 25 and y equals to 12. So cost of the pen equals to 25 and pencil will be 12 after solving this. Arun and the Sejal are the friends. Each has some money. If Arun gives 30 to Sejal, okay, if Arun has x rupees and Sejal has y rupees, so Arun giving the 30 rupees to Sejal means Arun have now x minus 30, and Sejal will have the twice the money of this Arun. So now Sejal is y plus 30, so it is twice of the x minus 30 equals to y plus 30. So now solving 2x minus y equals to 90. Okay, now Sejal gives 10 rupees to Arun, so Sejal gives 10 to Arun means x plus 10 equals to, so Arun will have it thrice as money as left to the Sejal, so 3 y minus 10. Then solving this and all that, x equals to 64 and y equals to 34. In a karwa, and in addition to 50 hens, there are 45 goats and 8 camels with some keepers. So that is 50 plus 45 plus 8. 8 is the camels with some keepers. Keepers are x. If the total number of the feet are the 224 more than the number of the heads, find the number of the keepers. Okay, so it is 103 plus x. Total number of the feet, they are given the 45. They are given the 224. Okay, more than the number of the heads, so it must be 45. And what is 45 are goats, and plus 4, 8 are the camels, and into 4, because you know the goat has the 4 feet, camel also 4 into 4 plus 50 plus x, because 50 hens and plus keepers are there, and hens and keepers have the 2 legs, so into 2 karenge, so that will be the 312 and plus 2x. Okay, so 312 plus 2x will be minus total heads are given, so total heads are the 50 plus 48 plus 8 plus x, so 103 plus x, total feet minus total head equals to, they given 224, so it is x equals to 15 will be the answer. Find the average of the all prime numbers between 30, wait a minute, find the average of all prime numbers between 30 to 50. So prime are 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. Dividing by 5 we will get the 39.8. Find the average 40 natural numbers. So natural is the n plus 1 by 2. 40 into 41 by 2 equals to 820. 820 by 40 natural numbers means 20.5. Find the average of first 20 multiple of 7. So that will be the 7 into 20 into 21 upon 20 into 2. So 20 multiple of the 7, average of the first multiple of 7, so 7 into 1 plus 2 plus 20 and upon 20 will be given there, so it will be the 7 into 20 into 21 by 2 after doing 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 20 and n plus 1 by 2, so it will be the 147 by 2 equals to 73.5. The average of 4 consecutive even number is 27, so it is x, then x plus 2. It is 4 consecutive even numbers, not the odd number. So even number is x, x plus 2 plus x plus 4, x plus 6. Dividing by 4 will get the 27. So 4x plus 12 upon 4 equals to 27 and x plus 6 equals to 24 plus 6 equals to 30. There are two sections A and B, a class consisting 36 and 44 students respectively. Okay, an average weight of the section A is the 40 kg and then of the section B is the 35 kg. So 36 into 40 plus 44 into 35. Okay, and that is 2980 equals to. Now 2980 is, we are dividing this with the 80. How do you dividing this 80? because he is saying 36 and 44 student, and average weight of the section A is 40 and section B is 35. Okay, so average weight of the whole class, if we are getting 36 plus 44, so it is 0 180. Total student are 80, so we are dividing 3980 upon 80 equals to 37. 9% went to the hotel for taking their meals. 8 of them spent 12 rupees each their meal, and the 9th spent 8 rupees more than the average expenditure of all. What was the total money spent by them? Let the average expenditure of the whole 9 is x. So then 12 into 8 plus x equals to 9x. So it is the 12 into x, 8 plus x plus 8. 12 into 8 plus x plus 8 equals to 9x. So 8x equals to 104 and x equals to 13. So total money spent by 9x equals to 9 into 13 equals to 117. Okay, let the average expenditure of all the 9 is x. Okay, so the 12 into x. 9% is went to the hotel for taking the meals. 8 of them spent the 12 each of their meal. 12 into 8 plus x plus 8 equals to 9x. Okay, so 8 more than the average expenditure of all the 9. 9x is there, and there is the 9% went to the hotel for taking their meal. 8 of them spent 12 rupees. 12 into 8 on their meal, and the 9th spent 8 rupees more than the average expenditure. So जो नवा बंदा है उसने 8 प्लस एक्स स्पेंड किया होगा. ठीक है, सो टोटल हो गया अपना 9x के इक्वल्स टू. ठीक है, सो जब इसको हमने सॉल्व किया तो 8x इक्वल्स टू आ गया 104 एंड x की वैल्यू 13 आ गई. तो टोटल मनी जो एक्सपेंड हुई थी वो कितनी होगी हमारे पास? वो होगी हमारे पास 9x. तो 9x में 117 आ जाएगा, क्योंकि जो 8वां बंदा था ना उसने क्या किया कि 12 थे, देन 9th स्पेंट 8 मोर देन द एवरेज एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ द 9. तो 8वां बंदा था तो 12 इंटू 8 तो प्लस x प्लस 8 उसने स्पेंड किया था, और टोटल मिला के वो 9x के बराबर है, क्योंकि 8 ने 12 किया था और 90 ने 8 प्लस x किया था. ठीक है, ऑफ द 3 नंबर्स सेकेंड इज ट्वाइस द फर्स्ट एंड ऑल्सो thrice the third. If the average of the 3 numbers is 44, find the largest number. Let the third number is x, then the second number is 3x. First number will be the 3x by 2. Okay, we are adding all of 3. We will get the 44 into 3, because that is average of the 3 number. 44 into 3. So 11x by 2 equals to 44 into 3. So x equals to 24. And 3x, what is the 3x? It is second number, that will be the 72. Now it is saying of the 3 numbers, second is twice of the first. So second number is the twice of the first. Second number is twice of the first, and also thrice of the third number. Second number is the thrice of the third number. Okay, so it is saying and thrice of the third. So 3x into 3x by 2 into 3. और ये क्वेश्चन ही गलत है. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन मार्क करो, इसमें सही से इक्वेशन बनाई नहीं है इन्होंने. द एवरेज ऑफ 25 रिजल्ट इज 18 एंड द एवरेज ऑफ फर्स्ट 12th ऑफ दिन इज 14. सो सम ऑफ द 25, okay, it is 18 into 25 minus sum of the 24 is the 14. So after this last 12 is 17 plus 17 into 12. After solving 78, the average of 11 result is 60. Okay, 11 result is 60, and average of the 11th result is 60. 60 into 11. If the average of first 6 result is 58 into 6 plus लास्ट जो थे उसकी 63 है. 63 इंटू 6 माइनस 60 इंटू 11 इक्वल्स टू 66. द एवरेज वेट ऑफ ABC is 45. Okay, so ABC equals to 45 into 3, so 135. If the average weight of A and the B are 40, A plus B equals to 40 into 2. Okay, and B and C is 43. B plus C equals to 86. Then find the weight of B. So A plus B plus B plus C minus A B C. So it is 80 plus 86 minus 135 equals to 31. The average age of the class is the 39 student is 15 equals to 585. If the age of the teacher be included, then the average increase 3 months. Now I am adding the teacher. Average age of the 40%, that is the 15 years and 3 months. Okay, that is the 15 year and the 3 months. If the age of the teacher included, then average increase the 3 months. So it will be the 15 year and 3 months. So that will be the 3 by 60. 15 year and 3 month. 3 month means 3 by 12. Okay, so it is 61 by 4. So total age of 40% will be the 61 by 4 into 40%. That is 610 years. Age of the teacher is what? 610 and minus 585, that is a 25 years. The average weight of the 10 person in the boat is increased by the 1.5, so it is 1.8 into 10, 18. Then Wu weight is 53, it is 53. Okay, and then Wu weights 53 for replacing the Newman. So 53 plus 18 equals to 71 kg. And now there was a 35 student in a hotel, 35 students. So due to the admission, 7 new student expenses of the mess were increased by the 42 per day, while the average expenditure per head was diminished by the 1. So let us, the original average was the x, then 42x minus 1 minus 35x equals to 42. It is given, actually there are the 35 students in the hostel. Due to the admission of the 7 students, okay, 7 students, new student has expenses of the mass were increased by the 42 per day. So 42 per day इसका increase हो रहा है average and diminishing by the 1. So अगर total average अगर माने expenditure x था, तो 42 के अंदर x minus 1 हो रहा है, फिर माइनस कितने स्टूडेंट है 35x से, वो किसके इक्वल्स टू है 42 के इक्वल्स टू है. ठीक है, तो जब इसको हमने सोल्व किया तो 42 को जुड़ेगा, दैट विल बी द 84 एंड यहाँ पे 42x आएगा माइनस 35x इक्वल्स टू 7x आ जाएगा. x की वैल्यू 12 आ गई हमारे पास. तो ओरिजिनल एक्सपेंडिचर जो होगा 35 स्टूडेंट का, तो 35 इंटू 12 420 हो जाएगा. क्योंकि ये क्या बोल रहा था, ड्यू टू द एडमिशन ऑफ 7 न्यू स्टूडेंट एक्सपेंसेस ऑफ द मेस इज इंक्रीज बाय 42 रुपीज़. अब ये 42 इंक्रीज़ हुआ है. एन एवरेज एक्सपेंडिचर पर हेड डिमिनिश बाय द 1. अब टोटल कितने हैं देखो, अगर 35 स्टूडेंट है 35x हो गया. ड्यू टू एडमिशन ऑफ 7 न्यू स्टूडेंट, 7 नए हैं तो 42 हो गया. अब इनका एवरेज पहले 35x था, अब है 42x माइनस 1. तो 42x माइनस 1 माइनस 35x इक्वल्स टू 42 के बराबर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, A batsman make a score of 87 run in the 17 inning and then increase his average by 3. So वो 17 इनिंग में x है, लेकिन अब उसका 16 इनिंग में x माइनस 3 था, क्योंकि वो पहले 17 में 3 बढ़ रहा है इसलिए. ठीक है, तो 17 में x है तो 16 में x माइनस 3 था. तो 16 इंटू एक्स माइनस 3 प्लस 87, ये क्या बोल रहा है, बैट्समैन मेक ए स्कोर ऑफ 87 रन इन द 17 इनिंग. अब ये 16 प्लस 87 करेंगे, दैट मीन वो जो है 17 इनिंग हो जाएगी. तो 16x माइनस 3 प्लस 87 इक्वल्स टू 17x. तो x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 39. ठीक है, डिस्टेंस इसमें क्या पीछे जाना होता है हमेशा बैट्समैन वाले क्वेश्चन में. अगर वो 17 इनिंग पूछ रहा है तो 16 में आ जाओ. ठीक है, जब आप 16 में आ गए तो आपने एवरेज को x माइनस 3 कर देना है. पहले उसने x बताया, अब वो 3 कम बता रहे हैं अपने रन, तो एवरेज को भी अपन x माइनस 3 में ले जाएंगे, फिर इसको जोड़ेंगे तो आंसर आ जाएगा. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 स्टेशन A and B is 778. Okay, and it's covered the journey A and B 84 किलोमीटर and 56 किलोमीटर. ठीक है, 84 and 56 है, तो 2 इंटू 84 इंटू 56 अपन 84 प्लस 56, 2 इंटू 84 इंटू 56 अपॉन 140 इक्वल्स टू 67.2 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ठीक है, सो ये हमारी एवरेज स्पीड हो जाएगी.